Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sarmlan Chess YouTube channel. Today's chess video is about King's Gambit decline, beating chess reps. Okay, I am going to give you 5 different reps, white and black. Okay, if you enjoy this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, now we can go to the chess rep 1. Okay, in the end of this video, I am going to give you a interesting puzzles for you. Okay, let's go to the rep number 1. Hello everyone, welcome to Samlan Chess YouTube channel. This is rep number 1. How to white wins by checkmate in 10 moves only. How to white wins by checkmate in 10 moves. Okay, this is first rep. The fifth rep is very important. That's why you need to watch until finish this video. Let's go to the moves right now. Now white hand. White played e4. This is called King's pawn opening e5. King's pawn opening, then f4. King's Gambit. Then black played amazingly now d5. This is King's Gambit decline, fork-wear counter attack. Okay, let's go to the third move of knight c3. Okay, now defend the pawn by the knight and we will see this knight attack this pawn and defend this pawn. If take with this pawn, easily cut the pawn by the knight. Okay. Now the black check. B goes e4. Then knight take the pawn. Then e goes f4. We will see how to counter this match. White. White played bishop c4. Okay. We will see how to counter this match. Black. Black queen go to h4 and beautiful check. Okay. Now king have a check right now. White need to block the check. He push the pawn to g3. Now black the check. Then pawn take pawn. Okay. Then the seventh move of white. White queen go to e2. Then we will see how to counter this match. Black. Black played a g2 check. Okay. Now rook is gone. I think king go to d1. Then we will see how to counter this match. In one move, we will see the queen. He take a queen. Black. Then knight f6 and check. This is easily won the game. White. We will see in one move only. Now king go to d8. Then beautiful checkmate with queen. That's it. This is rep number 1. King's Gambit decline. Okay. Now let's go to the rep number 2. Hi everyone. This is rep number 2. Why white resign in 6 moves only? How should black won the game? Okay. I am going to explain and analyze deeply in this rep. Please watch until finish this rep. Very important rep. You need to watch. Okay. Let's go to the moves. e4. This is called King's pawn opening. e5. King's pawn opening. f4. This is called King's Gambit. Then d5. This is fork-wear counter attack and King's Gambit decline. Then pawn take pawn. Then c6. Then queen go to e2. Now attack the pawn by the queen. Black pawn attack by the white queen. Now this queen attack this one. Also attack this pawn, attack this queen. We will see how to counter this match. Black. Black take the pawn by the pawn. Then queen cross e5 and beautiful check. In this match, black the check with bishop. Then white queen go to cross g7 squares pawn. That's it. In one move, the queen is wrapped. You need to see. You want to see because this is the interesting chess rep. The bishop go to f6. That's it. Now queen is wrapped. You can see why. If this queen cannot go there because they are stacking. If cannot go here, there, this knight is there. This queen cannot go there. There is a pawn. This queen cannot come here. There is a bishop. Then we will see this queen cannot go here. Here is a bishop. If come here, I will show you a trick here. If queen come to here, there is a pin. That's it. That's why white resign. Because here is this bishop attack this line. He cannot move anywhere. He cannot move anywhere in the queen. That's why if move like this, he will take the queen. That's it. That's why white resign this match. Okay. We can go to the now rep number 3. Okay. Everyone, this is rep number 3. Why resign in 8 moves only? How to black won the game? I am going to explain and analyze deeply. Please watch until finish this video. Let's start with e4. This is called king's pawn opening. Then e5, f4, king's gambit, d5, king's gambit decline, fork wheel counter attack. Then e cross d5, pawn take pawn, then queen cross d5. Okay, then white turn. We will see how to white moves. He moved knight to c3. Now attack the queen by the knight. Then queen go back to d8. Then white queen go to e2. Now attack the pawn by the queen. We will see. I am going to explain now. This queen attack this pawn and this pawn. We will see. Another move of black turn. Black pawn go to c6. Then queen take e5 and beautiful check. In this case, white resign. You can see. Okay. Bishop e7, black the check with bishop. Then queen cross g7. Then bishop f6. Then queen go to g3. Then bishop go to h4. That's it. That's it. This is the pin there. That's why easily won the game. Black. White resign. Key to cut. Then the queen is cut the queen and check. That's it. This is wrap number 3. We can go to the wrap number 4. This is wrap number 4. White black resigning 7 moves only. How to white won the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply. Please watch until finish this video. Let's start with e4. This is called king's pawn opening. Then e5. This is called king's pawn opening. Then f4. This is called king's gambit. Then d5, king's gambit decline. Then e cross d5, queen cross d5, knight c3, attack the queen by the knight. Then queen go to e6. Okay, we will see how to counter this much white. White played amazingly now knight f3. Then black played e cross f4 and beautiful check, discovered check here. Then king go to f2. Okay, then we will see how to counter this match. White, black bishop go to d6. Then black is resigning 1 move only. Bishop b5. Okay, because white black resign, you can see if check here. We will see. I am going to explain and analyze. This bishop check here. If king need to move here or here or here, the game is over. White won easily. Because you can see now, if king moves here, this king go to there, this rook come here. We will see. This rook come to here. There is attack the queen. If he moves anywhere, there is a checkmate. We will see. If bring the rook here. Okay. Now king need to move his queen. If queen will move there, there is a checkmate. Then go back. If check, then push the pawn here. Then rook is there. Now pin the queen and wrap the queen. If block the queen bishop with this one, then cut the like this, then wrap the queen. That's why in this game, black resign. White won the game. Okay. Now let's go to the wrap number 5. Okay. Hello everyone. This is wrap number 5. Very, very important wrap. You need to watch until finish this video. Okay. Let's start with white. e4, e5, f4, d5, e cross d5. This is king's gambit decline, fork wheel counter attack. Then black played e4. This game, how to white resign in 11 moves only. I am going to explain deeply and smartly. Okay. Let's start with another move of white. Knight c3. Then knight f6. Then d3. Bishop b4. Now pin the knight by the bishop. Then bishop go to d2. Then castling. Beautiful castling he made. Black. Okay. Then d cross e4. Pawn take pawn. And rook come to e8. Okay. Then bishop go to d3. Defend the pawn by the bishop. Then bishop cross c3. Take the knight by the bishop and take the bishop by the bishop and knight cross e4. In this case, bishop take this one. Then rook cross e4 and beautiful check. Now knight go to e2. Black the check with the knight. Then bishop go to g4. That's it. In this match, white resign because now he cannot do anything this knight. Knight is there is a pin. Now bishop is attacked this line. If he cannot do anything, he will move like this. There is the cut the knight and check. That's why white resigned this match. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. We can go to the next part, puzzles time. Okay. Hello everyone, this is puzzles time. This is beautiful checkmate puzzles. How to checkmate in 4 moves only? White won the game. Please share your answer below the comment section. I am going to tell again. Find the best move for white. This is checkmate puzzles. How to checkmate white in 4 moves only? You can find the right answer. If you find the right answer below the comment section, you can write down. Okay, that's it today video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone.